See what $380,000 buys you in Edmond, Oklahoma. We are in North Edmond. This house is 4-bed, 2-bath, $380,000. 28 square foot, a little over 2,200 square foot. HOA is $60 per month. Built in 2012. Gorgeous vaulted ceilings, nice backyard, fence, island in the center, cabinetry, cupboard, ooh, more cabinets, dining nook, built-in wine rack, now let's check out got the front office here facing the entryway. Got the master bedroom. Wood flooring. Vaulted ceiling in the master as well. Makes you feel like there's plenty of space. Wonderful shower, walk-in closet, separate toilet, dual sinks, three-car garage, nice mudroom. Into your first of 3 bedrooms. Beautiful view into the neighborhood. Grocery store right down the road. Burger joint as well. Anytime I buy a house, I want a good grocery store very, very close. I want to be able to walk there. I want to be able to ride my bicycle there. I don't want to have to travel very far to go get my ingredients for my delicious and nutritious home meals. Well, there you have it. Beautiful home, beautiful day in Edmond, Oklahoma. My name is Tony Bertram. If there's anything that I can help with, buying, selling, questions about real estate, questions about becoming a real estate agent, I'd love for you to reach out to me, and hopefully we'll talk to you soon.